We outside. Remember we there, you know, man. You have to subscribe to Shayna Talk Up TV. Believe that. Buff! Buff!
Guys, welcome back to another video. You don't know it's behind the scene, me there. People, you don't know it's actually Shayna and there with DS himself and the whole, not really the whole Talk Up TV team, but actually some of the teammates them. Yeah, we are shoot one brand new movie. I don't know my name still, but I'm showing a little bit of what going on now. We have Nick down here, so and chocolate. Right, so. And we are going with our vibes meanwhile, shooting. Yeah, he say, you don't know what's your film style at all, yeah. And that's Brittany mommy right there. It's my wife. Guys, look what's happening right here.
You know about you ever go around somebody and like your energy never match at first, but they get to know a person like you know the way
it's not about money, you know. When you get to know the person and you know say you have money, just add that part to it. You get to know the person and you realize say you have money.
So yeah guys, we are short. Them are the one little scene right there. So as me telling them, I don't know why movie name yet. So I'm gonna show the chocolate in working clothes. But before me show the chocolate in working clothes, let's take a look over here again.
I just get up and walk out.
So guys, I'm gonna look for chocolate in working clothes.
I'm special.
I'm just like him and them work on the garbage truck in them bib. I what kind of bib? Coffee, you know, and a green one way. Oh, in the night it shines still because the silver part, the glow. Yeah. And squaddy over there. So, and a squaddy 2 road we are shooting now, guys. I don't know what the movie name as me tell you know a while ago. But these are the characters in the movie. I mean, I Brittany mother in another movie. I don't know say me always Brittany mother. Like, yeah. I see Brittany. Brittany 2 mommy this, guys. So I see Brittany first mommy there.
yeah man, big up yourself.
Yeah.
Respect.
And I don't know say me Brittany second mother. Yeah, so she not have a problem when me boss Brittany ask her, you know, say Brittany a bad girl like that. But she a good girl in the movie. Yeah. Me nice, clean daughter. I don't want nobody mess with her. You understand? You teach her to do good
Mommy,
things.
how I do?
Don't worry yourself, I big up myself. You know what
I mean, big up yourself.
And if you big up on a mother when time when I do no movie.
Big up on the mother when you do movie. Yeah, now big up their mother. So me I big up their mother, guys. Me I big up Brittany mommy right here. I don't know Jada already. Me just show no Jada.
Yeah, one Jada, one Jada, never 2.
One Jada, never 2.
Baby, the man.
Where is Fat Joe? Fat Joe is sleeping. Fat Joe sleeping, guys. Fat Joe sleeping. You know me chunk back? Jesus Christ, Fat Joe in a chunk. We're gonna look for Fat Joe, people. We're gonna look for Fat Joe. Only hope Fat Joe getting breeze. Let's look. No, oh, in the chunk back. Guys, Jesus.
Same thing you take it from me.
See Fat Joe, they sleep there.
No, you know, say you see your ear then what you have,
Fat Joe is sleeping. Pat Joe they sleep, guys. In chubby. Nice chubby baby, you know? And guess what make that baby here so chubby, guys? Guess what make that baby here so chubby? Because Dallas always eating bun. Dallas
I think I think about cheese because I say no fancy cheese. I swear. But yeah, man.
Dallas always having bun, so that's why the baby so chubby. So if you don't want one chubby baby, you eat bun every day.
It's so different. Bun, when you see anytime people talk about bun, you know, say something just,
yes.
It's a metaphor. No, man, I wish she not try to say. She not say
No,
more than what she
eating
say.
bun. But you know, listen, let me tell you how to eat the bun. Don't eat off all the bun one time, else the baby now go come first. Eat piece and put back a liquid in the bucket. So every minute you can munch one piece of bun. Oh, mercy, Jesus. I'm tired. Remember enough to subscribe to my channel. Buduf Baf Quef. Select him out to come. No, I'm not pint to pie, I'm
Mad sauce, they see you guys so I say mad sauce.
Find them out there. So now.
Oh, only 10. I want 11.
Oh, it's mad than this.
You know, Shayna? I have 11 for this year, you know.
There is Shayna in the building. The bad girl Shayna. Yeah, that is it. Oh, civilization. We can't
Yeah, that too now.
Now we are going to turn you on the next
It's sensitive or you turn on? You have sensor?
You know, just like I feel like.
Find the gun, pan Jada.
Mama, try here.
You have to kill me.
I don't want to easy, man.
Serious on
Yeah, man.
No, sir. Yeah, go on in the shop because things go on, you know. I remember, you know.
Alright, when I dress up close. When I dress up close. Shayna, team,
I saw it just.
no, I asked Nick. Shayna, they have dress up close.
Dress up.
We look like we have a goat or a party or
Man,
something.
think that we don't say we don't care about my clothes because you see when you feel like seeing us on short school if you see me I do and go, yeah.
Ah.
Do the man thing there. You know, fish they moving it tonight.
Oh, more where them there? That movie them they want to see. That movie there. Man, I met over there. I try to say something.
I say, man, I like
Bakayo. No, baby.
no long pants, you know.
Yeah, my baby see away. No matter what.
Yeah, short. Short pants, I can't.
Alright, come and get one scene out of something that for phone. Now, that I love lies and which is. I literally don't know what I see. I'm not having my phone, but we'll see what we can do with it. We'll get some of that.
Over there, my man out in I see.
Remember what go on?
You go feel away.
Yeah, man. Remember say last time we get here, remember say you are ready for the party. Then we come in and they give it
Chip black. How can I go?
Party.
That's one. That's what kind of gun that they want AK?
Arizona?
SLR,
Give me a picture.
AR-15.
If you don't come to me, I'll give you.
After me not stay here, my gun.
6 months that you have.
What drink rum? Dollars?
No.
Nothing, man.
No drink no rum.
Oh, Jada.
No, what drink? I'm supposed to China.
Don't make more shit on this.
Oh, time a deal with me.
Yeah, we just ask him simple stuff so he want, man.
Yes, Mayor Queen. Mama said Mayor Queen, so Mayor Queen.
It's Whitney.
Yes, I make me go to Annie Gobert or Pepsi.
No, man, them bus
Yeah,
no
Brittany.
one.
Me not talk about that.
Come, Brittany.
I'm talking, baby.
Blackbird.
Where you come from?
Come to Brittany.
Put in our house.
Brittany, catch it. Pretty boxing going on the yard.
Probably catch it, probably not. Yeah, then. And me I look for. Eh? Come here. Come here. Baby.
Yeah, then, watch your road, you know, man. That the grand way over there, so watch your road. Yeah.
You talk to him? You attack so far.
That's one boy. Yeah, that alone.
Remember me? Baby, look me we can keep one baby on.
You can't walk, you know, man.
And take money for the parents.
I'll go here to the camera.
Rubber on the way there, you see the cheap out back my foot. Road out. Yeah, the road out, the cheap out to mix it with blue gel or something. You see them, the protein. On gel. Gel and cream now. Just make it. Let me start using it. Oh man, not. Mix it with the cream on now. Gel. Because you have somebody gel in and somebody gel with cream. Bleach today and a bleach tomorrow and a bleach next day. You come here about a cream. You better get up.
You want to bleach? Coffee.
You black a guitar. How many you want me? If you buy looks, you know. That's how you come on and buy looks.
You see?
That tape.
So you don't know, me still there behind the scene. Me at walk for go catch Chaplin and Nick. Them are doing a scene right now. So I want to show you one little piece. I don't get to catch much today because it's really busy. So we soon reach to them, but we can't go too close because me there behind them and the camera. So I have to watch the camera. So then gone on the way there. Alright, them they right up there, so I don't want the camera to catch me. Shit, the cameraman turn. The cameraman is turning and I don't want the camera to catch me. Then over this, so alright. What Chappy I do over my yard? Chappy, what I do over my yard?
Hold on.
What Chappy I do over my yard? People. What Chappy I doing over my yard, bro?
Alright, forward.
Outside the man, brother. So we are going to go down.
Choppy, who sent you there? Who sent you? I broke my place. Man in a boy. I don't want to go hide nothing over there now. Quality too rude this enough people.
Yeah, man.
Don't know.
Done son at time, man.
That thing is there.
You see it, watch out. What is 39? That's a code, man. Our time. 645. See, you know, sir.
Choppy shot light up, man. Turn night, I know.
Yeah.
Choppy a shot a light up.
Light.
To glow.
Going dark.
Choppy a walk with the big machine. You know, say I come
And then
from
you know,
work.
say a Papa is wanting no, no Papa is more a burger.
Burger you want to eat?
Yeah.
Put on your face to buy one burger. You can't spell burger.
No? A burger, what man?
You want to see little picture and his mother want to say, Mommy, I want pizza to eat. And his mother say, you want pizza? Spell pizza. Here, I want KFC then. His mother say, he's a wise ass. Oh, so I think you ain't going to say KFC a while ago. You say, I want KFC then. So guys, and remember, please press like because some people are watching video and not press like on the video. You know, if you press like, make a video go out, you understand? And also, no skip the ads. Do not skip the ads. Always remember to watch the ads. Right there, so. So guys, with your Burger King now behind the scene, still a shoot me, I'm going to show you what I take place.
Why, man? Tell me now. Yeah, man, time to keep it away. I'm going to do it. You just want to give me money and pick up it? Yeah, man. Give me money and pick it right back. Brother, you're not here, man. You think what's better? No, man, you look funny already, man. You're not, I'm not the poor, man. The only thing I'm going to say is you see me, here is a road there. That you should say, you don't have no problem. You see me? Yeah. Alright, so I have a car out with bad road. You see me? Big up yourself. You understand? Man. Yo! You like it? You're not careful.
No, hold on, that should I say. Do it. Alright, grab the box. Huh?
Yeah. Yo, look at the next block, pull back again.
Come in that car, no, man. How boy?
You see no now, pull brother?
Tell us if you test the car seat there, you go buy post in a bag now, eh? Come back, man. Brother, I'm tell you, you know. Brother, you can't just buy car bar and a jump through your window, brother. Yo, come and go back to your money, brother.
Brother, you see man gone.
You can't just buy car and a jump through your window, bad man. What kind of
If you do
style
now,
that,
pull up
brother?
your post, Rick. What do you do?
So now what that man come? 90 man drive come.
You can't fix one, that's simple.
You look good still in the yard.
You can't fix a man, man. You can't find a one mechanic and make him start out. You ready?
Yo, you're a youngster. I bet you walk around for the next side, man. Nobody knows how to do it. You can't make the thing look so good. I want to hear me. Youngster in a party. I want to hear me there, so there's a whole lot to say there, so. You see it? Yo. First place up, make me go and watch that. Yo. Brother, you see it? You never can go in and carry. Yo. Man, get carry and gone with it.
Them want the key in them, man. You can't chat. You ready?
If we're ready.
You mean?
You can say we're ready, dog. How are you, brother?
Hold on there.
Remember, guys, that one I got epic. As I can see them just buy one car. Luckily, they nearly get scammed because the car are not
So sweet, man.
Yeah, man.
Well, yo, Choppy, big man thing. How much money you pay big guy?
Does the man give me for the price, brother? 500,000. What do you mean? No, brother, make me go back.
500,000, brother.
Brother, the man tell me, say, I want 2023. Listen, I want to tell you, man, it's worth it. You know more for one Nissan nowadays. You know, you have 500,000, brother.
The man trick you. Hold on. You have license?
You don't have no license. No license, drive. Yo, hold on, yo, champion, hold on, man. Take time, man. You're try, brother. Yo, we can buy a camera.
Man, the camera battery dead.
Oh, sugar. Camera battery dead. Moving store, no wind on the door. No wind on the door, moving store.
Take your turn up. Man, so we take anything we want. So, I say, I take your turn up. I take your. I'm not ready, I know.
Your pizza, then.
We speak.
Yes, before jump
At 9, and we still a shoot. I don't know what time we are done. We're there, you know?
Come on, you know one.
I look